3, 2, 1.
What is a star fruit called? The answer is A. Carambola. Who won the World Cup in 1998? The answer is A. France. What is a series of processes that remove unwanted substances from water called? The answer is D. Water treatment. The burning of fossil fuels has added pollutants that contain sulfur atoms to the air. These pollutants have contributed to which of the following? The answer is B. Acid rain. For what purpose does liver use the excess carbohydrate? The answer is B. To synthesize glycogen. What tool do you use to make small marks on paper? The answer is B. Ruler. In which country was natural gas first used as a form of energy? The answer is A. China. The saxophone was invented by which famous musician? The answer is A. Adolph Sax. How many U.S. states that begin with the letter M have state capitals that also start with the letter M? The answer is C. 0. Cows and Control were the two fictional organizations fighting each other in the Get Smart series. Which of them was pro-American? The answer is D. Just Control. What Greek cheese is made of 70% ewes and 30% goat's milk? The answer is A. Feta. What is the largest U.S. state capital that is not the largest city in its state? The answer is A. Austin. Who set the record for fastest marathon in a princess costume? The answer is C. Ariel. The participants in Flavor of Love, Season 2 threw a party for some of Flav's friends. Which of the following celebrities were guests of the party? The answer is C. Yin Yang Twins G-Unit. What is a group of dolphins called? The answer is A. Pod. What is the name of the scale used to measure the heat level of chili peppers? The answer is B. The Scoville scale. After Indiana Jones steals the Ark from the Germans, which two modes of transportation are used to get the Ark to the secret base in the Greek islands? The answer is D. Steamer, ship, and submarine. Where do the majority of arthropods live? The answer is B. On land. In which human organ do the juveniles develop into sexually mature adults? The answer is B. Intestines. Which athlete on a Minnesota team is nicknamed the Big Ticket? The answer is A. Kevin Garnett. What is the invention that allows you to take pictures? The answer is C. Camera. What city in Colorado is known as the richest square mile on Earth? The answer is A. Central City, Colorado. What is Chunk's real name in the movie The Goonies? The answer is D. Lawrence. What is used to measure angles? The answer is D. Protractor. One of the earliest air pumps was made by. The answer is A. Robert Boyle. A plant grows in a damp, marshy area filled with non-vascular plants and seedless vascular plants. Which characteristic indicates the plant is classified as a seedless vascular plant? The answer is A. It is 18 cm tall. On the Canadian $2 bill, what flag flies over the Parliament building? The answer is D. US flag. Which material should be used on a bicycle ramp to increase friction? The answer is B. Rough paper. Which country is known for the tuk-tuk? The answer is A. India. Which spice is used in sushi rolls? The answer is B. Ginger. What is the traditional craft practiced by leprechauns according to Irish mythology? The answer is D. Making shoes. Which philosopher is associated with the dialectic? The answer is A. Plato. What is the fastest speed achievable in Grand Theft Auto V? The answer is A. 200 mph. What often occurs on steep slopes in dry climates? The answer is C. Landslides. Which of these dishes would you most expect to find in Equatorial Guinea? The answer is B. Succotash. What was Skipper Grumby's first name on TV sitcom, Gilligan's Island? The answer is D. Jonas. The Sistine Chapel's famous ceiling was painted by whom? The answer is B. Michelangelo. Which fruit grows on a vine that can climb up to 15 meters? The answer is C. Grape. On the show Lost, it is revealed that the island has special powers, one of which is the power to heal. What was wrong with John Locke before he crashed on the island? The answer is C. Paralysis. Which object most likely has magnetic properties? The answer is A. Iron nail. Who was the first designer to show a ready-to-wear collection for men? The answer is D. Giorgio Armani. What city hosted the first Olympics to include the USSR in 1952? The answer is A. Helsinki. Who was the Supreme Allied Commander in Europe during WW2? The answer is A. Eisenhower. All living things contain which element? The answer is D. Carbon. What neutralizes the acidity of chyme and acts as a buffer? The answer is C. The bicarbonate. Which animated series features a boy named Bart Simpson? The answer is C. The Simpsons. Lanthanoids and actinoids are not included with the rest of the periodic table for convenience. Which series of elements are found in these two series, respectively? The answer is D. Le-ib, AC no. Who founded Gucci in 1921? The answer is C. Guccio Gucci. Which of the following is not a part of a computer's central processing unit CPU? The answer is D. Memory. What is in the living room for seating?